Hi guys, welcome to my little kitchen, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a recipe which has been requested by my family, and it's a lamb chop gravy recipe and it's an absolute favourite and I'm sure you're going to love this. So come with me and we'll quickly run through the ingredients and then we'll stop talking and we'll start cooking. Right, you need 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, 1 can of chopped tin tomatoes, 1 kg of lamb chops, 3 onions which are medium sliced, 2 tomatoes freshly diced, freshly chopped coriander, a tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves, and a tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste. And now I've just added all these dry ingredients to a plate, which makes it easier for me to add it into the gravy when I'm cooking. So it's a tablespoon of everything, which is garam masala, salt, chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder, and I've got 1 black cardamom there, and I've also got a cinnamon stick which is just roughly the size of my thumb there. And we're going to start cooking now. Right, let's start by preheating our gravy first of all so it's nice and hot. Right, so the gravy is really nice and hot and that's what you want. So I'm going to add the oil into this. So the oil's really nice and hot now, and that's what you're looking for as well, because you want the onions to brown really quickly. So, and it's that sizzle that you want. And we want to get a really nice colour on these. So we're going to let them cook for a couple of minutes and come back to them once they're done. Right, the onions are done and we're looking for this kind of colour on the onions. And now we can add the meat to this. And the ginger garlic paste. The spices. And just break the cinnamon stick in half and chuck that in. Everything together. Oh, that wasn't meant to happen on camera. And just stir that in really well. And then you want to throw in your can of tin tomatoes and just use the water and just pop it into the can and give it a swirl, and then just add that in. One quick mix, and then what you want to do is you want to pop the lid on and you want to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes on a medium heat until the meat is more than half cooked, and we'll come back to it. So it's been 30 minutes guys, and we're coming back to check on this. And you can see that the oil started to separate and it's looking gorgeous. Now I've had to swap my wooden spoon for a spatula because it's allowing me to stir the lamb chops properly in the gravy. I can't do it with the spoon. And just give that a mix. And even the masala is really nice and thick now. And what we want to do now is we want to cook this without the lid. We're going to turn the gas up a little bit high and cook this for a further 20 to 25 minutes without the lid on. And this process in Urdu or Punjabi is called bhuning or bhunifying, and it's basically cooking the curry now until the onions break down and give you that really thick masala sauce. We're going to do that and we'll see how it looks in about 20 odd minutes. Now during this process, whilst you're bhooning the meat, if it starts to stick at the bottom and you think that your masala is slightly dry, just to add a little bit of water to it and just continue to cook that for 20 minutes. That will just help break down the onions even more. So this has now been cooking for 20 minutes and I've added small amounts of water to it as I've been cooking it for 20 minutes to avoid it from sticking to the bottom. And look at that gorgeous colour on it. And now we're just going to finish off by adding the last few remaining ingredients. And first of all we want to take the fenugreek leaves and then just crush them between the palms of your hands, just rub them like that, and then just add them in. That just releases more aroma and flavour. And then we've got the tomatoes that we're going to add at this stage, and the freshly chopped coriander goes in as well. And just stir that in. And how beautiful does that colour look? The green contrasting the deep red orange juice masala sauce, and I can smell that fenugreek in here. It's amazing. And that just needs a further 2 minutes on the heat, just so the tomatoes soften slightly, and then this is ready to be dished up, and I will show you once it's all served up and ready. So guys, this is my finished dish, the lamb chop karahi recipe. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. It's been mouth-watering to make, to be honest. Do try it, it's great. And I'm just serving it up with some coriander naan here. Now, if you want to just check out those beautiful colours, and we're going to zoom into those. Look at the juicy tomatoes, the deep dark gravy there, and the lamb chops that are there. Absolutely brilliant. Please do give it a thumbs up if you like it, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done. And we're going to be back again with lots of more recipes that are authentic and true to home style cooking. Till next time, bye from my little kitchen and take care.